About. About.
Used when suggesting or offering something to someone.
How about a trip to the zoo this afternoon? Coffee, Sarah? No, thanks. What about you, Kate? How about cycling there? Out of. Out of.
No longer in a particular place or area.
Take the main road out of the city. He has been out of the country for a long time.
Afterwards. Afterwards.
At a later time, after something else has happened.
We had tea, and afterwards we sat in the garden for a while. They separated, and soon or shortly afterwards Jane left the country.
Upstairs. Upstairs.
On or to a higher level of a building.
He ran upstairs to answer the phone.
Across. Across.
From one side of something to the other.
She walked across the field or road. They're building a new bridge across the river. When I reached the river, I simply swam across.
On the opposite side of.
The library is just across the road. Arrive. Arrive. Arrival, arrive.
To reach a place, especially at the end of a journey.
What time does your train arrive? It was dark by the time we arrived at the station. We arrived in Prague later that day. Carrot. Carrot.
A long, thin orange vegetable that grows in the ground.
Raw carrot. Chop the carrots finely.
Snow. Snow.
Snow. Snow.
If it snows, snow falls from the sky.
It's snowing. It's starting to snow. It had snowed overnight and a thick white layer covered the ground.
A trip. A trip.
Trip. Trip.
A journey in which you visit a place for a short time and come back again.
The trip from York to Newcastle takes about an hour by train. Do you want to go on the school trip to France this year? We did a day trip to Paris.
Lemon. Lemon.
Lemon. Lemon.
An oval, yellow fruit that has sour juice.
Lemon juice. For this recipe you need the juice of 2 lemons. Would you like a slice of lemon in your tea?
Salad. Salad.
A cold mixture of vegetables that usually have not been cooked, sometimes eaten with meat, cheese, etc.
A salad bowl. Serve the risotto with a mixed salad. Toss the salad with oil and vinegar.
fantastic, fantastic,
fantastic, fantastically,
extremely good,
you look fantastic in that dress. We had a fantastic time. They've won a holiday? How fantastic!
litre, litre,
Liter, liter,
a unit for measuring the volume of a liquid.
the tax increase will add 4p to a liter of petrol.
jazz, jazz,
Jazz, jazz,
A type of music first developed by African Americans, which often includes parts played without written music.
Paul has a lot of jazz on his iPod. I've been a fan of jazz ever since I was a teenager, when I used to go to clubs in Nottingham. Toast, toast,
Bread that has been heated to make it brown.
a slice of toast. I have toast and marmalade for breakfast.